if you don't want to spend as much money or your target area is a little bit smaller than your entire vehicle, you can check those out. They are available at a reduced cost. I've been wanting CNC aluminum knobs because they spice up the interior a lot, and they usually don't cost that much, like in this instance. Beautiful smooth finish, and then we have two kind of chrome polished lines that go through the outsides of the knobs, and there's very fine knurling. So you have 4 pieces up here. You have 1 piece for the goat mode, and over here for that light knob, you also have an additional one. The 5-piece will drop that knob out, and then a 4-piece set will just be the AC dials. But I wanted to show you how easy these are to install. I haven't taken this off, and you can see we can move the dial, no problem. But if you apply a little pressure, it will come off. We can switch it out to our blue right there. I did bring a little vinyl to show you that the Badlands orange is a little bit lighter. If you're going to match vinyl, I would go with our standard orange, which is more of a hugger orange. But for the people that have the blue interiors, a lot of people have been getting this blue color. It's actually our most popular color.